Hi everyone, welcome to this video on the latest new updates in Google Drive. Let's get started with the first one. Office editing mode is now the default mode for Office files for Drive on the web. So this means that whenever wanting to open in Office format, like this Word document, a PowerPoint or an Excel format, you no longer have the preview mode, but directly the document will be opened in the according editor. So this Excel will be opened in Google Sheets. And for example, this tip and trick document will then natively open in Google Docs without a preview mode. Just for your information, the preview mode still is available just by a right click and hit preview or by pressing the P on your keyboard. So as you can see on the title or at the end of the title, the format is still mentioned. So this is actually still a Word document. And if I'm making changes, so for example, deleting this specific sentence, then you can see the file is updated indeed and it remains still an Office format. But most important thing is that the native Office editing is now enabled, so which means less clicks for you in order to open up your Office formats. What is important next is that the PDFs will have some improvements as well. So if I would like to open this Chrome deployment guide, which is currently a PDF, but you can open this in an editor mode with Google Docs, Google made sure that images, tables, etc. are being converted better than before. So when I show this as an example, this is how the PDF format looks like. So with content and tables, a table of content and images. If I now want to open this with Google Docs, you'll see that both tables, fonts, and images will be taken into account correctly. And so the file is now loaded. So it might be that the images take a little bit longer. Voilà. So this is the Google Chrome deployment guide. We have the home page. This is our table of content, which we still need to change a little bit. And then all of the tables, as you see, just the same as in the PDF, are all converted natively. So this is an advancement of PDFs being converted with Google Documents. And as you see, the document is available directly in the same source folder as the PDF. A third change to Google Workspace is the storage policies. So as of June 1st, 2021, all Google Documents or newly created Google Documents will be counted towards the account limit of your user as well. And same will apply for any photo or video uploaded into Google Photos or into Google Drive. As of June 1st, they will count towards the storage limit that a user has as well. So for all the files currently existing, nothing will change, but newly added or existing ones that you edit, those will count towards that new policy. So we will remind you towards this date again about this change in policies. These were the updates for Google Drive.